Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025 and need to transfer your XDC tokens from Gemini to Bitrue, you're in the right spot. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. XDC is a popular cryptocurrency for smart contracts and finance, and moving it between exchanges like Gemini and Bitrue is straightforward once you know the ropes. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Bitrue. You'll also need some XDC in your Gemini wallet and the exact deposit address from Bitrue. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section to find your XDC balance. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw option next to your XDC holdings. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the asset, in this case, XDC. Step 3. Now, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Paste in the wallet address from your Bitrue account. Double-check this address because one wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Seriously, it's that important. Step 4. Specify the amount of XDC you want to withdraw. Remember to account for any network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Gemini might show you a preview of the transaction fees here. Step 5. Review everything on the confirmation page. Make sure the details are correct, then hit Confirm to initiate the withdrawal. You'll probably get a confirmation email or notification. Step 6. Head over to your Bitrue account and check the Deposits section. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the XDC to show up, depending on network speed. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets secure. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn your XDC from Gemini to Bitrue. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you next time.